In this video tutorial, I'm going to explain the solution of the first test conducted for engineering statistics and linear algebra. First, a question is, a random variable x has the following distribution. Find the values of k, p of x is less than or equal to 2, p of 2 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 5. So this is the distribution given. So for this, we have to find out the value of k, and probability of x is less than or equal to 2, and probability of 2 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 5. So in this case, it is including 2, means up to 2. So whatever the probability is there, no, that we have to add, and we have to get the solution for this second part. Now coming to the third part, so we have to find out the probability between 2, 3, 4, 5, means 2k plus 3k, 4k, and 5k. So that is the probability. So first we will go for the first one. The first one is find the values of the k. K is equal to means sum of the probabilities. So whatever the probabilities for each random variable 1, 2, 3, 9. No, so given we have to find so that the summation of this probability is equal to 1. Okay, so that we know. So p of x is equal to 1. Then k plus 2k means sum of this all probabilities will be equal to 1. So when we add this k, 2k, 3k up to 9k, so that will be f of 45k. So that is equal to 1, and automatically k will be equal to 1 divided by 45. So this is the answer for the part 1. So now we will fill up the values of the k here. Okay, means 1 by 45. So next we will go for a part 2. What is that part 2? The probability of x is less than or equal to 2 means the probability of k plus 2k. And this will be 2 to 5. So 2 to 5. Second part is probability x is equal to 1 and probability x is equal to 2. So that is a k plus 2k. It is a 3k. 3 into 1 by 45. Its probability is 0.067. Similarly, for part 3, probability of up to 2 to 5. Okay, means within this 2 to 5. Probability of 2 to 5 is x is equal to 2, means it is including 2, including 5. 2 plus 3 plus 4, 5. Okay, probability of 2 is 2k, 3k, 4k, means this its probability is 4k, and its probability is 5k. That is a 14k. 14 into 1 by 45, it is a 0.0311. So next we will go for a question number B. A random variable x has the following distribution. So this is the distribution pi. Plot the PDF and CDF of the discrete random variable. So what actually they are given? So they are given x. This is a random variable and its probability is, this is the probability. So I have calculated, this is the PDF, and I have also calculated the CDF. Actually, the given data is only these two. This is the table they are given. So for that, we have to plot this PDF and CDF. First, we will plot the PDF. Okay, means what is the x-axis? X-axis is random variable 0, 1, 2, up to 8. What is the probability of 0? 0.05. What is the probability of 1? It is a 0.15. So I prepared this graph. So 0.05, and when it comes to the 1, it is a 0.15. When it is 2, it is 0.22. When it is 3, it is a 0.22. So like 4, it is a 0.10. So like that, when it is 8, it is a 0.0. This is a probability. So this CDF, it is just summation here, 0.05. So at this point, summation of these two, it is a 0.20. Summation of these two, it is a 0.42. Summation of these two, 0.64, like that, okay, 1. So plot of this with respect to random variable. So x-axis is a random variable, that is a 0 to 8. Then it is a cumulative one, 0.05. Then it is a 0.20, 0.42, 64, 74, like up to 8. Okay, so it will be of a 1. So after 8, it is its probability is 1. So this is the plot of PDF, and this is the plot of the CDF. X-axis is a random variable, y-axis, it's the probability. Okay, it's the probability. So this is the solution for the 1b, 1c. Okay, next we'll go for 1c. The CDF for the random variable x is fx of x is equal to 1 minus exponential of x square by 2 when x is greater than 0, 0 otherwise. This is the given CDF. Okay, so what we have to estimate, we have to find probability of 1.3 to 2.3. So we know that, okay, so probability of 1.3 less than x is less than 2.3 is nothing but this is the, so this will be the property of the CDF. Fx of 2.3 minus fx of 1.3 means just, okay, we have to substitute this value and subtract. Okay, this is the CDF what they are given. Okay, so next step is 1 minus this one and this minus, now we'll substitute means, well, again, so while observing, you look at this 1 minus of minus 1, this will be 0 and this is the negative 1. So while we are substituting a 2.3 minus of this, when we substitute, this is a minus into minus plus, so that's why I will write this first one and substitute the limits as 1.3. So that is 1.3 whole square by 4 minus this will comes here 2.3 whole square by 4. So evaluating these two, okay, using calculator, so the answer is 0.6554, 0.2664. The difference of these two is 0.3889. Okay. So this is the first question. Okay.